Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this quick road assessment of Gratiot Avenue. Today we'll take a deep dive into the current condition of Gratiot Avenue. We'll examine all potential problems and uncover any likely issues that you may face as you travel on Gratiot Avenue. Without further delay, let's dive in. Gratiot Avenue is in fair condition. Conditions that make Gratiot fair are the road cracks that pose a growing concern for both daily commuters and local infrastructure. These surface fractures, often caused by weather fluctuations, heavy Detroit traffic, and aging pavement, can worsen over time, creating potholes and uneven road conditions. For drivers, this means increased risk of tire damage, misalignment, suspension wear, and even accidents if swerving becomes necessary. Left unaddressed, these cracks not only compromise vehicle safety and comfort, but also escalate maintenance costs for motorists and the city alike. And Gratiot Avenue is notorious for its heavy traffic, especially during peak hours, as it serves as a major thoroughfare connecting downtown Detroit to its eastern suburbs. Congestion is often intensified by the train tracks that cross Gratiot Avenue, causing frequent delays when long freight trains pass through. These stops not only frustrate some drivers, but also disrupt traffic flow, increasing commute times and contributing to wear and tear on vehicles from extended idling. Additionally, the long road seams running along Gratiot Avenue are more than just cosmetic flaws. They can have a real impacts on vehicles over time. These road seams, often the result of aging road pavement or patchwork repairs, create uneven surfaces that can lead to vibration, tire wear, and alignment issues. For some drivers, especially those in smaller vehicles, the repeated jolts from these seams can make for an uncomfortable and potentially damaging ride. In the wet or icy conditions that occur in Detroit, the gaps can also become slick or collect water, increasing the risk of hydroplaning. Folks, that's not all. Gratiot Avenue shows clear signs of heavy automobile use, with grime buildup and prominent skid marks, especially at major intersections. The circular skid marks often seen at these junctions suggest reckless driving behaviors like donuts or hard turns, which not only damage the road pavement, but also pose serious safety risks to other drivers and pedestrians. Combined with layers of dirt, oil, and tire residue, these markings can reduce traction, making the road slick, particularly during dangerous rain or snow events in Detroit. Also, Gratiot Avenue's middle turning lane is designed to improve traffic flow, but it can also create confusion and hazards when multiple vehicles try to use it from opposite directions at the same time. This shared space often becomes a risky zone for sudden stops or last-minute turns, increasing the chance of side impact collisions. Adding to the danger, parked or disabled vehicles along the side of the road force drivers to swerve into traffic or the turn lane, creating unpredictable movement and potential accidents.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love. Whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset, the trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video.
In addition to the middle turning lanes, the road islands along Gratiot Avenue serve multiple purposes, but their impact on drivers is mixed. Primarily designed to manage traffic flow, these islands help separate turning lanes, reduce dangerous left turn movements, and offer some pedestrian refuge. In some areas, they support Michigan lefts, an alternative intersection design intended to improve safety by eliminating direct left turns. However, for many drivers, these islands can be confusing or poorly marked, especially at busy intersections like Gratiot and Connor, where the layout contributes to high crash rates. The wide, high-speed nature of Gratiot Avenue often overshadows the benefits of these islands, making it difficult for drivers to safely navigate turnarounds or yield to pedestrians. While the islands aim to create a more organized traffic pattern, they sometimes complicate driving conditions, particularly in high-traffic zones or poorly maintained segments of the road. As Detroit moves forward with road redesign plans and safety improvements, the function and placement of these islands will likely be reevaluated to better support both drivers and pedestrians.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.